Hi, I'm Molly with GRS, and on today's show, we're going to be talking about diamond powder, your new best friend.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Here we are in the GRS classroom. I'm going to show you guys how to use this magical little dust. It's our diamond powder. All you're going to do is you have your ceramic lap. Diane Scalise likes to use the cast iron lap. But you probably have a lot of these little Allen wrenches laying around. Shane actually just sharpened ours down into a flat like this. And you get a little bit out of the bottle. It doesn't take very much at all. And you just spread it on your wheel and then rub it in with your finger. One benefit of the diamond powder is that you can actually see like a film on your wheel, whereas with the diamond spray, it's not as noticeable. But after you rub that in, you're good to go. Go on and sharpen. And now it's time for the suggested Instagram user of the week.
I want you to see.
Matthew Tuggle at Tuggle Designs. Go check out his work. If you want to be the suggested Instagram user of the week, tag us on your next post at GRS Tools. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our new videos. Check us out on social media. And like this video, subscribe. There should be a button over here somewhere. Throw your comments down below and be a part of the conversation. Thanks, guys.